How to log out from Asana account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Asana account. If you have been logged into your Asana account in any of your devices or browser, here's how you can log out from it. First of all, open the web browser where you have been logged into your account. Once you open it, now enter the keyword asana.com. This is the official URL of Asana. Once you have entered this URL, press on enter button to search for it. Within a while, now you will be taken to the official website of Asana. Here, if you are logged into your account, you will be able to see this interface on your screen. In this page, at the top right, you will be able to see your profile icon. And at the right side, you will also be able to see the drop-down icon. Simply click on it, and then you will be able to see this pop-up menu. From here, you'll be able to locate logout option at the very bottom. Now, you just simply need to click on this logout and then you will see you have been successfully logged out from your Asana account. Now, in the future, if you want to log in back to your account, you will need to either continue with Google or use your email address and other credentials in order to log in to your Asana account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out or sign out from your Asana account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.